Today we're taking the T-Bird for a drive with my intake and exhaust on it. Straightaway. Here we go. Now we'll slow down because there's an intersecting street. Now there's a curve. So we'll kind of relax on the curve. This car drives nice and smooth, but when you give it the power, it takes off nice. Yeah, she takes off very nice. Very nice. Real easy. Real brisk, and I'm not even pushing half throttle right now, so I'm very impressed with the throttle response and overall performance of this 97 Thunderbird. All it has is my intake mod and my exhaust mod, and I had a welder basically perform my ideas to this car for the exhaust system. This is a one-of-a-kind, one-off exhaust system, and I designed the intake mod that I did on the factory intake system. So my ideas really work on this car very well, and I'm sure it's worked on every other car I have done so far. So just simple things. Get a car to breathe in and breathe out. Very simple. And that's just performance. Performance, fuel economy, low-end torque, and just overall improved drivability just from getting an engine to breathe right. That's all I did. Breathe in more efficiently, breathe out, exhaust more efficiently. Free flow, very low to no resistance. I mean, very free flow, and it pays off huge in performance, low-end torque, and the person that owns this car now really loves the fuel economy. I mean, that was probably one of the biggest dividends from doing the intake and exhaust on this car. I also did very high quality NGK iridium spark plugs. That also contributed a lot to the fuel economy as well, because NGK iridium plugs are the best spark plugs to get an engine to perform in the most efficient manner. So that's something not to overlook. So I hope you're enjoying this video. I'll do some more little throttle things on this 97 Thunderbird to kind of let you see the overall drivability of it, which is great. It's day and night from the factory. Day and night. And the bonus of a nice, deep, throaty, powerful sound. It almost sounds like one of those nice Supras from Japan. The Supra has that nice exhaust note, just sounds similar to a Supra. A nice, powerful sound. Alright, we're going to turn at the stop sign. I'll give it just a little bit of throttle and let you guys hear a quick little 0 to 60. Doesn't take much at all. And I'm probably going to only give it about, let's say, half a throttle. Ready? I'm not going to power brake or nothing, just kind of roll with it. Here we go. Okay, so I went to 70. That's not too bad considering stock Ford Thunderbird V6 does not perform that smoothly with around less half throttle acceleration. So very impressive. I like driving this car. It's very enjoyable. It handles really nice with its four-wheel independent suspension that the factory did very well, actually. The factory really did a really great suspension on this 97 Thunderbird. Four-wheel independent suspension, handles really nice for a luxury car. It's not even considered a sports car, but it sure handles like one. I'm very impressed with the Thunderbird's handling techniques. Nice and smooth. Oh, acceleration is so nice on this. Even if I'm just barely resting my foot on the pedal, it accelerates mighty smooth, effortlessly. What a great driving car. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like and subscribe and tell your friends. Have a great ad boosting day.